And hey everybody, hopefully this is a really easy one, and that is how to factory default or initialize the Yamaha Dm3. This is the S version, but the same stuff will apply to the Dante version when it comes out. The home button right here, you want to hold that down while you power it on. So it's off right now, and I only have one hand, so I have to set this down for a second. So I flip the switch, I'm holding that down, and the console is booting. Very similar to the TF. Once that Yamaha logo goes away and the kind of blue stuff comes on the screen, right there, the Yamaha Dm3 with the blue line, wait for that blue line to go away. Now you can completely release the button. And initialize all memories. Please look here. You can initialize all, initialize current, or initialize Dante, which is blanked out. When the Dante model comes out, there are things like your static IP addresses or DHCP or secondary port configurations such as redundant mode and daisy chain mode, and that will all be defaulted there. But for this case, initialize all memories just wipes this console out and gets you back to the start. This is also the same menu you're going to use for fader calibration. Please note that this wipes out all of your face parameters and all of the global settings. And I double checked this so that I wasn't eating my words. Puts you back to 96K on your sample rate. I tried putting it to 48K and doing the current, and it didn't matter. Both times it put all of my global settings and all of my face parameters back to default. And that's it. That's how you default or initialize a Yamaha Dm3.
Remember to like and subscribe.